Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Travis Dykes. Today we're going to be working on 3 simple slap bass groups that you can use wherever you want. So why don't you go ahead and grab your bass and get tuned up and we'll get started. So we're going to be in the key of A flat, and we're just going to take it one look at a time. So the first one we're going to be doing is this one right here. It's simple. So it's pretty much real simple. All we're doing is playing the A flat and it's popping the octave. So we got, so we're just doing that, and we're going to the flat 7 of that. So the F sharp. So an octave higher. So all right, and then we're gonna do. We're just playing B, second fret of the A string with our first finger. Then we're playing the octave with our 4th finger. So we got. Then we're gonna go, and we're going to that D flat or C sharp. So it should sound like this. And then we're just doing flat 7, so 1 or F sharp to A flat right there. So it should sound like this. You watch my right hand. Alright, so now the last part is going to be, we're just going to do, which is a B and C sharp. So it should sound like this. And then end on that one again. So it's all together, full speed. All right. So that's the first one. The next one's gonna go like this. It'd be a. Still an A flat minor. So we're going to be playing, all it is going to be A flat, B flat to a B. So it'd be, and then when we go to that B, we do an octave. So slap, pop, slap. So it should be. Time. You see how I'm slapping and then sliding into it, so it should be slap, pop, slap. We're gonna do the same thing on the other one, just with different notes. It's gonna be A string, E flat to a C sharp. So same pattern with our right hand. So. Popping the octave, so it should be like. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Let me do a full speed. Alright, but that's a really fun one. The last one is going to be this right here. so all I'm doing is playing still an A flat minor. So we're going to be right here. There's going to be A flat, slap, pop, slap. So it'll be slap, pop, slap, slap. Slap, pop, slap, slap. Slap, pop, slap, slap. Alright, so that's the first. So I'm on A flat and going to the octave with my fourth finger. And then we're going to do, this is an F sharp on the A string. And you're in the octave of it. And if you don't know what an octave is, and I've been talking about this whole time, it's just up 2 frets, down 2 strings. Talk about it in another video. You should check it out. So. That's a bit. So, and that what I'm going to there is an E flat, and then a C sharp. So slap, pop, slap, 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 pop, slap, pop, slap, pop, slap, slap. And then we're gonna go to a B, B flat, A flat. We do that slow, so. Let me go even slower. So full speed would be less. Anyways, just messing around. But anyways, all right. If you have any questions, guys, leave a comment below. I'll try to answer as soon as I can. Yo, guys, got some exciting news. Pure Music School is now available. Pure Music School is a school that I've been developing and really trying to hone in before I just market it to the world. So I want to let you guys know, still got some slots open for students. Check it out. The website is puremusicschool.com. It's in the description below. So if you can, go check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to Facebook message me, Instagram message me, email me, and we can talk whatever questions you have about it. Very excited about it. So hopefully I'll see you guys on there.